Alright guys, what we have here? We got some avocado seed. We're gonna try and make some pain relief. I've got some avocado seed all chopped up. I've got some rubbing alcohol. We got Jamaican black castor oil. We're gonna blend this up, put them together and leave them to soak. So you gotta chop them real fine. Chop it up, feel really fine. You need a powerful blender. I don't know if you have a Ninja. As you know, the Ninja is really powerful, so you can use it and mince it out a little bit more. I'm just gonna pulse it a little bit more. Okay, this is it. This is enough. You don't have to pulse it anymore. That's enough. That's like powder now. This Ninja is serious. Alright. I'm gonna put that out of a jar. They're getting everywhere. We're making a bloody mess. Okay. Yeah, that's some strong hands, eh? One hand. All right. Let's see how strong my hand is with this. Okay, strong enough. All right, cover it. Mix it. Get a spoon. This is not a full bottle. This is about quarter. Use what you have. If you don't have a lot, the more you have, the better. You can do 1-to-1 ratio, the alcohol, or 2-to-1. Sorry, 2-to-1. Alcohol is 2, and the castor oil is 1 ratio. The avocado seed, you can use 3 big avocado seed. I had small ones, so I had about 4 small seed, and that should do it. This is just kind of thick, so put more alcohol in it. Not too much, because this thing like it's gonna ferment later. So mix it up. Leave that. Leave that to marinate, and that's it. You see it again in a few more days. All right, another time we'll go again. All right.